We're gonna go on the extreme ride now on the desert, and let's see how it goes.
We enjoyed.
Everyone's smiling just because they're relieved to be back here alive.
Our driver was a little bit soft, to be honest, so we're hoping he amps it up the next leg.
This is nothing compared to the Chinaman that he bowled. The batsman sort of, stuttering around there.
You're in the middle of nowhere, and it's really scary.
I've got absolutely no idea. We're in the middle of a sand dune, about 2 hours away from civilization, I think.
Feeling relaxed out here, in the middle of nowhere. We don't know where to go, what to have.
I don't think the camels can even survive here. There's nothing here.
Well, it's been a fantastic day now for some good Arabic local dinner, maybe a belly dancer or two, and then a bumpy ride back home.